Keeping track of every comment, message, and mention across Facebook and Instagram can take up a lot of time. In fact, it's pretty easy to miss a notification from a customer with everything else going on your pages. When businesses take an extra moment to engage with comments, messages, and mentions on Facebook and Instagram, it helps them feel more real. It puts a personality to the brand. That's why it's crucial to not miss these small moments with your customers and followers. With Constant Contact, once you connect your Facebook and Instagram accounts, you can view and respond to every comment, message, and mention that you receive right in your Constant Contact account. In this short video, we'll go over how the Social Posts inbox works and how you can get the most out of using it. Before we begin, you need to connect Facebook and Instagram to your Constant Contact account. We have a video tutorial that goes over this in full detail, so please check it out before continuing this video. Once you have your accounts connected, click Social to go to your inbox. Any messages, mentions, and comments will display here. And to clarify, this is not just activity on your Constant Contact posts. Any comments, messages, and mentions will display here, so you no longer need to leave Constant Contact to go interact with your contacts on Facebook and Instagram. To respond to a post, just click on it, and then click the small arrow here to respond. You can add emoji, images, and hashtags to your responses as well. When you're finished, just click Reply Now. When you're finished responding, click the back arrow here. Now that you've responded to that comment, select it and choose Actions. You can either choose to delete it or archive it to get it out of your inbox and move on to the next. Also, if your inbox starts to fill up a bit, you can click Social Profiles here and filter your inbox messages by the different social accounts connected to Constant Contact. Or click Message Type to filter by comments, messages, mentions, and follower posts. And that's everything you need to know about using the Social Posts inbox with Constant Contact.